everything. Muamala between you and your family members. Your children, taking them to good places. Your wife, taking them to the masajid. We have mentioned that story. The sister saying that I spent all day almost preparing for iftar. He was asking the sheikh, almost 5 hours I spent in the kitchen. When it comes to the evening, I'm so tired. Can I pray Salatul Tarawih while I was sitting? Therefore, my dear brothers, they say Ramadan, Shahru Siyam, Laysa Shahru Ta'am. We shouldn't encourage our wife to cook until they can drop. And then finish everything, wash your hands and let her to just go and clean. And that's it. Also, Qu anfusakum wa ahlikum nara. Save yourself and your family members. Therefore, encourage our wives. When you go to Salatul Tarawih, if there's facilities in the masjid, bring them. Your daughters, bring them. Your kids, bring them, inshallah.